heating class website, and as you can see, this is the home page, and got a bit of a class overview, got some other useful websites, so that takes them to all EDU websites, is all plumbing, heating, low carbon, gas, everything on there. MCS tool library where they can get documentation, an ebook for heat pumps that's been written by myself for the departments and the students. Infographics, so there's a lot of infographics here using ThingLink to help the students recall and practice the application of their knowledge. So that's on sort of page 1, and you can see across the top on this menu there's quite a lot of stuff here. So we've got a qualification, so we've got the air source heat pump qualification that's within the standard that we're doing with students. And on here is the delivery material that we're applying for the knowledge. Down here, once all that's been delivered, so today they will be undertaking this mock examination, so they can demonstrate the depth of knowledge. Check your learning, and there's a number of quizzes on there that will check them. So they're in year 2 at the moment, this group I'm working with today, so there's a range of quizzes there to just keep them ticking over. This page here is all about design of systems, so we've got MCS guidance, low temperature design, and then some images taken from my other website that assist in the design. So there's a number of images there with information that are very, very useful in the design stages. Got a glossary of terms, so common terms used in the industry. So that is a presentation all about heat pumps and the various technologies. Environmental notes, so a range of items there that's useful for the students to learn about and keep it fresh for them. Servicing heat pumps, so there's a bit of customer service element to this. So I've done customer service, but within it there's the checklist, and then there's a form that they fill in when they're servicing appliances. There's a slide deck there that would be delivered in session. And then all of these here are sort of guidance to what could go wrong with a heat pump, and in the yellow box it's offering the solutions to what they could be. We've got the solar thermal content. So again, got delivery material that we're going to deliver to the students. All of these are slide decks for delivery, installation and servicing, so they can use that type of thing when they're in the workshop, applying the knowledge and linking it with the skills. Again, a guide on solar thermal, similar to the environmental notes. And then I've made some solar thermal images. Just made these on Google Drawings. And just very simplistic images to help the students recognise how systems and component parts are put together. Down here we've got a solar calculator. It's an online calculator. If they click that action button, it will open up a page, and it'll look something like what you can see here. And they select various things, and the online calculators, we hit start simulation once you've inputted all your data, and you'll get your answers to how big the collector's got to be, etc., etc. And we've got an unvented hot water. And again, all these images made from Google Drawings. We scroll down to the bottom of this page, past the commissioning. So we've got some sheets there. We've got troubleshooting. So looking at faults that could happen on an unvented cylinder, because all renewable technologies have an unvented cylinder connected to them. And then we've got these sort of cartoon images, storyboards, where there's an issue. So I think there's 3 of those. And then they have to answer this quiz. And then there's a servicing guide. So that's sort of a class website for the low carbon students at Bolton College.